right? So this is an instrument, sounds in order, moving through time. Right here, Madden is going to hit this drum right here. Well, go ahead and hit that pad. Hit this pad right here, buddy. There you go. That's a kick drum. It's kind of like my kick drum. Can you hit yours again? Very good. And hit one more time. And what about your snare? That's my snare. That's your snare. Very good. So he's going to create a beat right now. You guys see this green thing moving? Right? Whenever this green light passes a button, that note is going to play. Okay? So Madden first is going to light up the 2 and 4 beat for the snare. So light up that and light up that. Okay. There you go. Now listen. Hear that? It's already very easy to keep the beat, right? Hit your kick drum. Very good. And hit the first one. Very good. Oh, let's listen here. You guys hear that? 3 notes. Kick, snare, snare, kick, snare. So what he's going to do, he's going to find 5 more places or so to add more kicks in the first 2 rows. So add 5 more. There you go. There we go. Now let's listen. Yeah. Okay. Right, so now he's going to add a variation. Hi-hat. Hi-hats. Now let's light up some hi-hats. What happens with light up hi-hats?